Alright, this is a documentary. It's a nature film about the bald-headed monkey spit monkey. This is its natural habitat. It's a gay Yu-Gi-Oh poster. Oh my god, there's the monkey now. If I move my head there, there's the Batman. Got a mini basketball hoop over there. There's a shelf. The doorway. Some stuff like that. 360 degree angle. There's where the TV is, but oh my god, we're not done with your habitat. Get out of here, fatty. There's just sleeping quarters behind me. Oh my god, what the heck? Houston, we have a problem.
We'll never get to be alive, comers.
Dude, looks like you were trying to have sex with yourself on the couch. Oh.
Ow! Oh, I'm wounded!
He is wounded and dangerous. Holy crap. There he goes. Wait, one second. I smacked it away. It's a Jew claw. Just smacked it away. Where's he at? Oh my god.